Alright guys, we're out here in the shop today working on a Super Duty head rack. Local landscaping company wanted a headache rack for some lights for this winter snow plowing, so drew it up, modeled it up, and sent it out to get burnt and bent. And here we are with all the pieces. As you can tell, I kinda already went through and sanded everything, getting it ready to weld out, all nice and prepped, clean. No, as you can tell, there's nothing left over from the laser. I'll wipe it down with some acetone, and then wipe it down with acetone, spray some Walter weld spatter on it, and then get to welding it out. So enjoy.